Alright, let's talk about something that's been on my mind a lot lately, the absurdity of maintaining a lush green lawn in a place where the ground is literally screaming for mercy. I'm not saying you should burn your lawn down, but have you ever stopped to think about how much water you're wasting on a patch of grass that's basically a desert in disguise? Colorado's been hit with record-breaking heat and drought this year, and it's making people rethink their relationship with the lawn. Let me tell you, this isn't just about saving water, it's about survival, sanity, and maybe even a little rebellion against the American dream of a perfectly manicured front yard. Now, here's the kicker. Replacing your lawn isn't just some eco-friendly trend. It's a practical necessity. But here's what people don't realize, this isn't just about swapping out grass for succulents. It's about reimagining your outdoor space as a living ecosystem, not a status symbol. And let's be honest, most of us have no idea where to start. I mean, who even knows what a xeriscape is? It sounds like a secret society for gardeners. But here's the thing, if you're in a place like Fort Collins, where July was the hottest on record, you're already in a crisis. Your lawn isn't just dying, it's mocking you with every brown patch. Let's break this down. First, you need to check your HOA rules. Oh, how I love the irony of homeowners associations dictating how much of your property must be covered in grass. It's like they're saying, we want your yard to look like a golf course, but we'll charge you for the water. Then there's the financial angle. Did you know Fort Collins offers rebates for replacing lawns? That's genius. It's like the city is saying, we get it, your lawn is a money pit. Here's a discount to make it less painful. But here's where it gets personal. I've seen people try to replace their lawns and get stuck in a loop of guilt. What if the neighbors hate it? What if it looks like a junkyard? But honestly, who cares? If your yard is a dead zone, it's not a crime, it's a sign of progress. Now, the actual process of getting rid of your lawn. Let's talk about the methods. Chemicals like Roundup? Yeah, they work fast, but they're basically kryptonite for the environment. I'm not saying you should roll in glyphosate, but if you're going to poison your soil, at least do it with a sense of purpose. Then there's the sod cutter, fast, but labor-intensive. I tried this once, and let me tell you, it's like trying to cut through concrete with a butter knife. Solarization? It's slow, but it's like giving your lawn a sunburn. And sheet mulching? It's the lazy person's solution, but it's also the most satisfying when you finally see the weeds die. Once the grass is gone, you've got to prep the soil. This is where people get tripped up. They think they need to add tons of compost, but honestly, most native plants thrive in lean soil. It's like how we don't need to eat a 5-course meal to survive, plants just need the basics. And drip irrigation? That's your best friend. It's like giving your plants a slow drip of water instead of a fire hose. Once they're established, they'll need less, but you'll still want to keep the system for dry spells. It's a game changer, honestly. Then there's the mulch. Rock mulch is the way to go, but don't be afraid to get creative. I've seen people use river rocks, pine needles, and even recycled glass. It's not just about water conservation, it's about making your yard look like a Pinterest board. And if you're feeling ambitious, try creating a dry creek bed. It's a low-maintenance way to add texture and interest while keeping the water where it needs to be. But here's what I find fascinating, the plants you choose. Native species are the unsung heroes here. They're adapted to the climate, they require less water, and they're magnets for pollinators. I mean, imagine a yard that's not just a patch of dirt but a buzzing, colorful haven for bees and butterflies. It's not just beautiful, it's functional. And let's be real, who doesn't want to feel like they're contributing to something bigger than themselves? So, what does this all mean? It means that replacing your lawn isn't just about saving water. It's about redefining what a yard can be. It's about rejecting the idea that beauty has to come at the cost of sustainability. And it's about realizing that the future of landscaping isn't about perfection, it's about resilience. If you're in a drought-prone area, this isn't just advice. It's a survival strategy. So, ask yourself, are you going to keep watering a lawn that's dying, or are you going to transform it into something that thrives? Because the choice is yours, and the planet might depend on it.